Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to install .mogrt files for Premiere Pro. It's very easy. So basically you just go to graphics, and when you're in graphics you go down to the bottom right hand corner and click install motion graphics template. After that, pick which .mogrt file you want to install, and once it's installed it'll be on here, all around here. So what you can do then is drag something in. Pick a sort of something that you like, that you've installed. So I'll go with this one. Put that there. And then we play it. And there we go. My .mogrt file is installed. Mine was already installed anyway. And then you can mess around and add whatever you want to your video. So that's a quick tutorial on this. I'll go into more depth into others. So keep an eye out for others. Please like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks.